an opportunity to look at Suno AI and thoughts. So from my understanding, if you purchase the free, or if you have like the free one, you can't use the songs commercially. So far as subscriptions, actually, we'll go here for a sec. Can follow Atomic Grave if you're curious. 8816. So there's like 3 monthly plans and then 3, oh actually 4 yearly plans. So really really good. So at first we tried this plan, and so there's like non-commercial terms. It's like 10 songs. And then on the queue, and then it generates like 2 songs from you go to create. I've really tried with lyrics, but can like type the style of music and then just create. So these are kind of what generates around. And then you can listen to it. So subscription wise, the pro plan, this is the next one up. This one's just like $10 a month. So it's this one you get essentially 500 songs to generate. Divide that by 2, or 250 times you can type in something that you'd like to make for songs, and then 2 will come out. So like there's 2 that are untitled, and that was from the same prompt. So we go back to subscription. So far as quality, I'll show some of the I'll show some of the public ones I have up. Of course, like there's can renew the plan or not renew. Currently it's this one's set on this one here, which allows 2,000 songs per month. It also gives priority for the queue, and so that's kind of the plan. So here are some of the ones that recently came out. These ones are available here, and it's essentially available through the I'll post it here somewhere around. Anyways, this essentially is kind of what kind of generates, and it kind of does like a range. So, example, this one has more blues vibes. This one was created from likely a prompt that was 200 characters. And 200's as much uh, as much as is available. It's also possible to make playlists to follow. And it also has they don't have one up where not post the instrumental. It will actually have it'll have kind of a it'll have it sung. But a few more of the songs.